Welcome to the next part of our tutorial. In our last tutorial, we have shown you how you create this small booth with the Octawall custom elements and cover it with a Fascia command. What we'd like to show you now is how to attach information about etching material and border etching. At the end of this tutorial, you will see the immense advantages the new functions offer you. Here's a couple of information before we start. You may already know the parameter tab in the Fascia command from our last tutorial. Here simply enter some basic information for the used Fascia. The Borders tab enables you to attach some border materials to the Fascia elements. The Edit tab allows you to attach border handling to your Fascia construction. Before you save your own Fascia construction, you can also add this information to the different configurations, or you can do it at a later stage. So finally, this function saves you a lot of time. When updating your AutoCAD from version 15 to 16, or when making a new installation, you will find neither border materials nor border handling alternatives in your database. This is because we don't know how you connect your panels or how you name them. I will show you now how to create these functions for your database. For this purpose, you first change from the CAD part to the AutoCAD database. Here you open the article database to create a new base article. As you can see, I have created a known group for the border articles. This makes it easier to find the articles later on. A new group or base article can be created with the right mouse click that opens the context menu. In order to add some new border etching, you first have to open the choice list. Use the right mouse click again for the context menu and add your own border etchings. When you're done, change back to the CAD part of AutoCAD. Here in my example, I'm adding information for the existing panels afterwards. For this, I mark one of the existing Fascia elements, in this case the small front cover panel. To mark all the connected elements in this Fascia group, you have to click to this icon, select all connected Fascia elements. When you change from the Borders to the Edit tab, you can see that nothing is assigned. Now attach, for instance, 2 mm melamine borders to the different borders by choosing it from the article database. Therefore, I change to the article database. I go to Etching Article and 2 mm melamine and assign. To speed things up a bit, use the Windows shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the item and paste it into the next empty field with Ctrl+P. So Ctrl+C, bottom border, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+V here as well, left and right side for vertical, Ctrl+V, between two straight panels, Ctrl+V, visible border at 90 degrees, Ctrl+V, and on other angles I take nothing. After you have attached all the different items, go to the update icon and all borders are assigned accordingly. In our example, border handling information is not required because of the horizontal vertical shadow gaps, so the only thing you need is now the border material. So you see, here is nothing. Sometimes it may be necessary that other Fascia groups are assigned the same properties as an existing one, and it takes time to do the whole thing all over again. For this reason, we have edited a special command called copy border material and border handling to other panels. As you can see here. First you choose one of the panels of Fascia elements whose properties you want to copy. And then you click on the Fascia elements which are supposed to get them too. So you are really much faster as copying different properties from one object to another object. If you create a parts list, as I want to do it now, regenerate, I want to have the current drawing, save. So if we go at the end of the list, if you create the parts list, you can see that all fascia elements still have the same properties as the other ones. Here, sorry about that, but this is in German. But you can still give these fascia elements much more information. So, for instance, your mounting people should know where to fix which panel. A function to create an automatic numbering would be fine. Therefore, we close here the parts list. And here it is. The information you will find by the panel tab, automatical numbering of panels and fascia panels. In the dialog box that appears offers you different possibilities to edit the settings and the numbering. In my example, I need the numbering in the right direction without any other information. Here you have some prefixes and suffixes. Then I need the drawing, and I need only the fascia panels. Here I mark sort by length, width and depth. I only need fascia elements sorted by different sizes, which means that every panel with the same size gets the same number. After clicking OK, you will see that all panels are now marked by a number on the front side. If you check the parts list, you will see that this numbering has been adopted into the list as well. Therefore, I go back to the parts list, generate, save. So he started once again. Now we check it, and you see here the different kind of position number. The only thing still missing is a top view of all different panels for the carpenter or the graphic department. Of course, there's a function for this as well that helps you doing this job very quick and easy. Therefore, we close the parts list once again. Select one of the panel that you wanted to have as a legend. For instance, we take that one. Go to the fascia command and choose the button Select all the connected fascia elements. Then go to the Panel tab and choose that icon, Project Plans to XY Plane. In the appearing dialog box for the settings, choose the option Fascia here, and the offsets where you use the existing settings here, and click OK. After that, you will be asked for the panel you wanted to start with and for the insertion point of the legend. So we're gonna start, for instance, with this panel. Insertion point might be over here. If we go to the top viewport, we have here a legend, including the description, length, the borders, everything was included. Now you can see here the complete tutorial. I would like to show you how to get a special list now with this special wall elements. Therefore, we go back from the CAD to the database side. Then we go to the project management. Here's my project. Here you can see the drawing. So then we go to the parts list and parts list position. And we go to the print icon. In our example, we want to use the list cutting list panels, and we want to see the preview. Preview. Here we go a little bit closer to the list. So as you can see, here's the panel with the dimensioning, and you can see the borders, left side, right side, top and bottom. And this is really a special list for the carpenters. So that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and until next time. and see you soon. Bye.